Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can add email to your Line account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Line application. Once you open your Line application, right at the bottom you will see Home, Chats and Calls. You need to tap on Home. From there you go to Settings. You will find the setting icon at the top right corner. From there, you need to tap on Account, and here is Email. I did not add any email, so you need to tap on that one, and here you need to enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email here. So once you enter your email, the next thing you need to do is to tap on Next. So once you tap on Next, they will send you a verification code to your email, and you need to go to your email and find that verification code, and you need to enter it here. So I will go to my inbox to get that verification code, and I will be back here again. So guys, once you enter the verification code, as you can see now, they say it is completed. I will open it for you. As you can see, I have a registered email now on my account. So guys, this is all it takes to register or add an email to your Line account. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.